everyone, welcome to the second lesson of the Penghripusch language. Today we're gonna learn how to conjugate verbs. In Penghripusch we have three main times: present, présent, past, passé, future, futur. But before, we have to know that there are two types of verbs in Penghripusch: verbs that end with or and others with are. So to conjugate verbs in Penghripusch, we have to take the stem and then add to it these suffixes to each pronoun. For example, let's conjugate the verb kondor, which means to decorate. We've just to delete the or in the end, which is the infinitive part. Thus we obtain the stem kont, and according to the infinitive part that we deleted, we're gonna add the suitable conjugative part. In this case, kondor would be conjugated like that: Aish kondes, yot kondit, yotel kondit, hil konde, shel konde, wino kondons, juve kondevs, juvel kondevs, jit konded. As for the verbs that end with r, so the same scenario will be repeated. We'll delete the infinitive part, thus we obtain the stem, then we'll add the suitable suffixes for each pronoun. Moving to the past conjugation, it's just adding the prefix in or in to the first of the present conjugated verb. For example, I construct is aš konstruos, then I constructed would be aš inkonstruos. There's just an observation that when the verb starts with a consonant, we put in. However, if it starts with a vowel, so we just put in. In the future conjugation, we add to the present conjugated verb the prefix te or te. For example, she sees is shall voye, so she will see would be shall te voye. Also, there is an obversation which when the verb starts with a consonant we put te, but if it starts with a vowel, so we put te. The e with the dot is a glottal stop. That's the sound you make when you say oh, uh. There are two irregular verbs in these conjugations, which are estar and yestar. We don't say aj inamis or aj nios, but aj wastos and aj hiestos. We don't say vino tasons or vino tayons, but vino serons and vino aurons. Okay, now we know how to conjugate verbs, so when I give you the sentence and ask you if you could conjugate the infinitive verb in the parentheses, you'll say, sure, but how? You didn't indicate me the time to conjugate this verb. And here comes the rule of the temporal words, los bixes temperiuses. In this video, I won't mention all the temporal words, but the most common used by the Penghripusch. For those who doesn't know what does a temporal word mean, it is simply a word that gives you an idea about the time that the act is happening in. For example, in this sentence, we pick the temporal word yesterday, so the act is happening in the past. Thus, the infinitive verb will be conjugated as ate, I ate. It's the same thing, so these are the temporal words in Penghripusch. And now I will give you some exercises to correct them in the next video. And here I just gave you a simple equation to obtain the present, the past, and the future conjugation. The present is pronoun plus stem plus conjugative suffix. The past is pronoun plus in or in plus present conjugated verb. And the future is pronoun plus te or te plus present conjugated verb. I won't make this channel just about the Penghripusch language, but I will also speak about many other things you order, so please write me in the comments below whatever subjects you want. And never forget to like this video, to subscribe to this channel, and to activate the bell to receive every new video. And peace!